Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel Learn Math with Sayyid Ali. So today we will be practicing cosine law, and there are two triangles given, and we know that cosine law can be used when two sides and their included angle is known. So we are seeing here that two sides are known, 1.8 centimeter, 2.2 centimeter, and included angle is known. And here also two sides and included angle is known, right? So cosine law also used when we have three sides known. We have done this example in the last video. Now we are doing two questions on the basis that two sides and included angle is known. And we know that this sine law and cosine law is used for a non-right angle triangle. So when the triangle is not a right angle triangle. So the important thing is that to use cosine law, we have to make the formula, right? And the important thing is to make the dimensions, right? What dimensions? So in front of the z angle, the side xy will be called small z, right? And the side in front of y will be called small y. And the side in front of the x angle will be called small x. So we have to do this for each and every triangle because the capital letters are representing the vertices or the angle. Here also, see this is capital P. So the side in front of the angle P will be small p. The side in front of the M will be called small m. And the side in front of the vertex or the point N will be small n. So when we put this down, then it's easy to calculate the rest of the side, right? So what we are looking here at is z, right? The two sides are known, third side is required. So this is what is required here in this question. And here the third side is this one, P. So this is required here in this question, right? So what the cosine law says? Cosine law says that the what angle is this? Z, right? So we will use this z. And what is the side in front? Is small z. So always start with that angle and that opposite side. So z square is equals to square of the two known side. You have to remember like this, the way I am talking to you now and explaining it. So the unknown side is always start with that square, right? Is equals to square of the two known side, that is x square plus y square minus 2 product of the two known side x and y times cos of the angle z. So whatever angle is here, the side is here, right? And what we need to know is z, right? We need to know this side. So now we develop the formula for here so that you have practice how to develop the cosine law formula. So first thing is to put the smaller lowercase alphabets for each side. So in front of P, you have to write a small p, in front of M is small m, in front of N is small n, right? So everything is now set. Now what we are looking at is P, and what its opposite angle is capital P. So we start with P square, right? So always remember, we start with P square in this case is equals to square of the two known side, that is n square plus m square. Whichever way you can write, m square and n square, right? Or n square, m square, or both are correct. But you have to know that we have to start with square of the known side, m square plus n square, minus twice of product of the two sides which are known, m times n, times cos of the angle. Which angle we are talking about? P, because here is P, right? So here is the angle P, which is capital, right? This P is smaller, which is length of the side, which is unknown. So we write everything, everything is set up for cosine law. Now just we have to plug in the values and simplify it. If you remember these steps, what I did, right? First name the sides as opposite to the capital alphabets or angles, and then write down the formula. So z square will be equals to, let me change the pen because this one is not giving me good results. So here is this, z square is equals to x square. What is x? So my x is 1.8, 1.8 square plus y square. What is y? 2.2 square minus 2xy. What is x and y? 1.8 and 2.2 times cos of z. Cos of z. What is z? 48 degree. So cos of z. Right? So everything is here now, and thus we have to simplify this. So what is x square? 1.8 square is 3.24 plus 2.2 whole square. What is 2.2 whole square? Is 4.84 minus 2 times this whole thing. If you check cos 48, it is 0.669, and when you multiply all of this, you will get 5.298. So you need to simplify this. Z square is equals to 2.78, and then z is equals to square root of 2.78, and when you take the square root, you got the z side, which is equals to 1.67 centimeter. So this is how we calculate the unknown side. And the other triangle, our unknown is P, the side P, and we start with P square, right? So my P square will be equals to M square, square of the two known sides. So what are the two known sides? One is 6.2, right? 6.2 whole square plus N square. What is N square? 4.8, right? Whole square minus 2 times M and N, like 6.2 and 4.8, right? Times cos of what? Cos of angle P, which is 54. Cos of 54. When you simplify this whole thing, you will be having 6.2 whole square, which is 38.44 minus 4.8 whole square, 23.04 minus, this one's plus, right? Minus 2 times 6.2, 2mn cos p. So when you simplify this whole thing, that comes out as 34.94. So rest of the thing is like just substituting in the values and then calculating it, simplifying it for the answer. So this is 26.54. And if you take the root of this, so p is equals to square root of 26.54, which is equals to